Royal Bank of Scotland may have finally found a buyer for its non-retail operations in India. Apurva Gupta of the Economic Times joins us on the phone line for this exclusive story. Apurva, good to have you. Thanks so much for joining in. Tell us first. Tell us first, who's buying these operations?
RBS India's operations are bought by Malaysian group called CIMB. It would be buying its broking business, corporate finance, as well as investment banking business. The deal is expected to be signed today. This deal is pertaining to all the assets in India and also includes Asia Pacific business of RBS, etc. As of now, we don't have the deal size with us, but what we have learned from sources is that CIMB will retain all the RBS India employees.
Apurva, hi, morning. Tell us more about this Malaysian group CIMB.
Malaysian group is a listed bank on Malaysia Stock Exchange, and it has assets of about 5 lakh crore and manages 55,000 crores worth of funds. Its focus would now be on Indian and Korean markets, and it will look at expanding its broking, iBanking and equity capital market business in India. We have learned that CIMB may acquire a broking operations also of a domestic brokerage in India, so as to expand on the institutional broking business.
Okay, so that's the focus of CIMB, but let's focus on RBS, Apurva. And since CIMB is not buying into the retail operations, we had heard that HSBC was supposed to be buying those. What's the update on that?
The negotiations between HSBC and RBS for its retail operations are still on.
Okay.
There were some issues related to the valuations which are still being sorted out. So as of now, there's no clear picture what is going to emerge in the next few weeks on this issue particularly.
But do keep us updated, Apurva, as and when it does happen. And thanks for bringing us this story about RBS India Ops. So other than the retail operations, what we learn is that CIMB of Malaysia is going to buy out the India operations of the Royal Bank of Scotland.